Parallelogram of steel measures 17.6 inches high and a base of 12.4 inches. So let's draw a parallelogram first. So a parallelogram looks like a rectangle that's kind of been pushed on its side. So something like that. So we have a base of 12.4 inches, so down here. And then we have a height of 17.6. So the height is basically going to be a vertical line from the top to the bottom anywhere, and it's a right angle there. So that's 17.6 inches. Okay, so it says calculate the weight. So it says the gauge is 20.5 pounds per square inch. So what that basically means is if I just redraw a parallelogram real quick, for every little 1 inch by 1 inch, so inch squared, so let's just make a little box here. So let's make a little square there. I'm saying that that little square weighs 20.5 pounds. So I'm trying to see how many of these little squares it takes to fill up this parallelogram, so an inch by an inch, um, so that I know the entire weight of the parallelogram. So calculate the weight. First, I have to find the area. So area of a parallelogram, we need to go to our formula package so that we know um, what the formula is. So if you go to the formula package, go to measurement, go to parallelogram, area is base times height. So base times height, we know that the base was 12.4, and we're going to multiply that with 17.6. So 12.4 times 17.6 equals 218.24. So that's my inches squared. So now we have to use this gauge. So set that up as your ratio. So I have 20.5 pounds over inch squared. So basically it's like 1 inch squared equals. So I'm saying that the bottom is where inches squared goes. So I'm going to go over. So 218 has to go on the bottom, bottom with bottom. So inch squared with inch squared. And I'm looking for the weight. So X for pounds. And all you're going to do is cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, all I'm going to do is take the 218.24 and I'm going to multiply that with 20.5. And so that's 4,473.92 pounds. And then 28 says find the cost. So it's 37 cents for 1 pound. So we already know the pounds. So all I'm going to do for 28 is take my pounds, my weight, 4,473.92, and I'm going to multiply that with the money, so 0.37. So take that, multiply it with 0.37, and I get $1,655.35.